Away, ye grey landscapes, ye gardens o' roses, in you let the minions of luxury rove, and restore me the rock where the snowflake reposes, if still they are sacred to freedom and love. Brave Caledonia, dear are thy mountains, round their white summits though elements war, though cataracts roll instead of smooth flowing fountains, I sigh for the valley of dark Loch Ah, there my young footsteps in infancy wandered, my cap was the bonnet, my cloak was the plaid, on chieftains departed my memory lingered, as daily I strayed through the pine-covered glade. I sought not my home till the day's dying glory gave place to the rays o' the bright polar star. My fancy was cheered by the bold martial story as told by the sons o' dark Loch Nagar. Years have rolled on, Loch Nagar, since I left you. Years must roll on ere I see you again. Though nature of verdure and flowers bereft you, yet still art thou dearer than Albion's plain. England, thy beauties are tame and domestic to one who has roved on the mountains afar. Oh, for the crags that are wild and majestic, the steep frowning glories of wild Loch Nagar. Brave Caledonia, there are thy mountains, I sigh for the valley of dark Loch Nagar. Ill starred now the brave, did no vision foreboding tell you that fate had forsaken our cause? Yet were you destined to die at Culloden, though victory crowned not your fall with applause. Yet were you happy in death's earthly slumbers, to sleep with your clan in the caves o' Braemar. The Peacock resounds to the piper